Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install and configure Pluck CMS on CentOS 8.1. Pluck is a free open source small and simple content management system that can be used to manage your own website without knowledge of any programming languages. It is written in PHP language and does not use any database to store data like SQL and MariaDB. It comes with lots of modules that allows us to integrate custom functionality into the system. So now let's proceed with the installation process. First of all, we will install Apache Web Server. Just downloading the packages. Now installing. Okay, it's complete. After that, we will start its service using systemctl command. We will make enable it. Now we will check status. It's active and running. Now install MariaDB server using yum command. Installing. Installation is complete. Now start the service. Started. Now make enable it. Now check status. It's active and running. Now make it secure. Change root password. Now remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow root login remotely. Yes. Remove test data button access to it. Yes. Reload privileges tables now. Yes. Installation is complete. Now we will install PHP and its module. Downloading packages. It will take some time. Installing. It's complete. Now LAMP installation process is complete. Now download the Pluck CMS using wget command. It's downloading. Now it's complete. Now unzip it. It's completed. Now move this Pluck master file to the Apache root directory. Now take ownership of Pluck using ch1 command. Now set permission. Now create virtual host for Pluck CMS using vim command, vim. Enter file detail. Enter file detail. Now it's completed. Write and quit. Now restart the Apache service. Now go to the browser and type your domain name there. Open browser. Now enter your domain name here. www.linuxhelp1.com. This is the welcome page of Pluck CMS. Now start installation. Proceed with the installation process. Choose title for the website. Type your email ID here. Select password and after that save it. Now with title Linux help. Save it. Now installation is complete. Go to your administration center. Give your password. It will load. This is the dashboard of Pluck CMS. And this is the method to install Pluck CMS on CentOS 8.1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.